Hey everybody, it's Tim Goyetche from the Goyetche Institute. I'm here today going to talk about biological biphasic dose response therapy. That is the method of treatment that was used to treat the hormone-based hair loss that we're seeing here in the left-hand photo. In that photo, what you're seeing is elevated testosterone causing hair shedding, severe hair shedding. It's an issue that she's had in the females within her family line down the generations. However, I knew that I could fix it. So what I used here, and again, it's with the dose response therapy, I actually took an extract because it was elevated testosterone and our hormones were all out of balance. I shouldn't say I created because it was already created, a hormone balancing therapy. So it works for all hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, but also your luteinizing hormone, vasopressin, follicle stimulating hormone, oxytocin. So if it comes from the pituitary gland, sorry, I went blank for a moment, from the pituitary gland, if it comes from the ovaries, and if it comes from the adrenal or thyroid in this case, the hormones are being addressed. And that was the therapy that we use. So what is biphasic dose response therapy? It is an extract of proven healthy organs, glands, tissues, body chemicals, hormones, neurotransmitters, depending on the application. In this case, we're talking hormones only. So the hormones were used to normalize them at a normalizing potency. So you take the extract and then you utilize it in a very low dose, which when I say very low, I'm talking between 36 international units and 176 international units. Within that spectrum of treatment or dosing, you have three ranges of treatment that offer three different responses, whether it be sedation, normalization, or stimulation. In this case, we wanted to normalize our hormones. So that's what we did. We used a dose in the middle of the range, which would normalize all of the hormones in her body. And in doing so, what you see in the right-hand photo is the result after 6 months. And her hair kind of grew straight out, and that was the best she could do with it at 6 months. But let's have a look after 1 year. And this is her after 1 year. 100% her hair, there's no comb overs, there's no missing hair. It's as thick as can be. This is what happens when you use biological biphasic dose response therapy on the hormones. It can replace hormone replacement therapy all day, every day, as long as there are still ovaries, testes there to work with to help stimulate and help them function optimally. And it can be done. But anyway, this is the result. You see the testosterone-based hair loss on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, 1 year later, full, very thick, lush head of hair. It works. And you saw the process in between. That's it for now. Bye-bye.